Alright guys, I am so excited because I am going to be showing you guys some of the Gucci lipsticks that I picked up, and they're so beautiful. I got all of mine in the matte formula, which is this really beautiful gold packaging. It's etched and then it has this beautiful detailing around the bottom of the cap, and then the top says Gucci. This feels luxe. This, when I first saw them, I really thought like that they looked like beautiful Lisa Eldridge lipsticks, but they're different. The Lisa Eldridge lipsticks are a little fatter. This one's a little bit more slender. They feel really nice. So let me show you guys what the actual carton looks like. This is what it looks like. It's just a really simple carton, and I'm going to show you guys all of the shades that I got. I think I'm going to start with, I don't know, I wanted to go nudes to bright shades, but let's do that. So the first shade I saw when I was downtown with my friend, and this is called the Painted Veil. This one I swatched and I know that it's such a me color. Looks like that. Alright guys, so this is the Painted Veil. They feel really creamy, but it like in a waxy way, not a bad feeling at all. It's very comfortable. Really pretty, muted, nude color. This next shade is one that was not on my radar and I needed to get because it reminded me of my godparents. It's called They Met in Argentina. This color is also one of those colors that I really love. When I saw it, when I saw the name, I'm like, what color is that? And I looked it up and I'm like, yes. So again, they're all matte shades. They Met in Argentina. I love it. I love this so much. I think it's beautiful. The color is beautiful, and it makes me happy for more than one reason. The next two shades are reds, of course, and I picked up Odalie Red and Agatha Orange, and I don't know which one. Let's go with Odalie Red because I really wanted a red, and oh yes. It looks like an orange red. Let's do Agatha Orange first. So I wanted an orange, and then of course I wanted a red, but I wasn't really sure. This is Agatha Red. What red to pick. Like I wanted something really like vibrant and almost like ruby woo. And I had a hard time picking, so then I saw Odalie Red and that's what I went with. But this is Agatha Orange. I love this. Agatha Orange. I wanted to wear these without a liner because I wanted to show them to you guys in their true form. Holy smokes, I love this. The last shade. I'm so excited. This is exactly what I wanted. Odalie Red. I have to say that I'm really happy with these. I love the pigmentation. I love the formula. It doesn't feel heavy or dry. It feels really comfortable. I will tell you guys that these are not going to be transfer proof. They're not a liquid lipstick. I knew it. But as you guys can see, it still looks like freshly applied lipstick. I think these are stunning. The packaging is stunning. I really wanted to get some of the other ones because I wanted the different packaging, but I feel like for the price point, I want something that's going to last a little bit longer on the lip. Like I know that they had like a sheer formula, a satin formula, and like a balm. And while the packaging is different and pretty, I really wanted to make sure that my coin went a long way. And in this case, I am very happy with everything. They're stunning. They have nice weight to them. Like they don't feel cheap. The packaging feels really luxe and beautiful. and I have no complaints. I love all of the colors that I picked out, and to be honest with you guys, there aren't too many swatches online for the mattes, which is why I wanted to put this video out there for you guys. And I wanted to make sure that when I was researching, it was hard for me to figure out what colors I really wanted because just the swatches aren't really out there yet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know down below if you picked any of these up or if you guys have any recommendations. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment if you haven't done so already, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.